Bitcoin at 18,000, and we have Ethereum at 1,384, and we have BNB at 281. Today the inflation numbers were released, so we can see the market pumping here. Look at Bitcoin exploding today and getting ready to break out of the 18,396 level. So if it breaks 18,400, then we can see Bitcoin rise all the way up here. Probably it might have happened by the time you guys watch this video. We have the dollar falling down to 102.7 off of the CPI, which came out at 6.5, slightly lower than expected, which is good for the markets because that means inflation is calming down. So the CPI, Consumer Price Index, is calming down now. The US 10-year bond is also coming down 3.5, the US 30-year 3.6, and we have the stock markets S&P 500 0.2%, Nasdaq minus 0.8%, tech stocks still selling off here, Dow Jones 0.4%, Russell 2000 0.6%, and the US 30 Wall Street 0.3%. The UK stock market is looking like it's pumping up to new highs. We also have the UK bonds falling, by the way, the 10-year and the 30-year. Apple, Tesla and Netflix still seems to be weak. All the tech stocks are actually looking weak, so the Nasdaq isn't recovering easily, so we can expect the same for Bitcoin and crypto. However, it's nice to see the crypto market actually rising for once. Oil is at $98 per barrel, so that's starting to rise back up again following gold, which is pumping and exploding out, just like we warned you in the previous videos, guys. I warned you gold could keep rising, and in the previous video it was about 1,850 or so last week. And then silver is $23, copper is 4.16, so the pound is at 1.21 and the euro at 1.07. We have the Japanese yen also breaking out against the dollar, continuing its upwards rise now, so the dollar is looking very weak indeed. The Japanese yen at 0.0076 now. Swiss franc also looking pretty strong. So all the currencies looking strong now against the dollar as the dollar continues to weaken. And another thing I would like to point out, gold versus the pound, guys. We can see gold is rising up to this critical level of 1,580. If gold breaks that, it is currently 1,550. If gold breaks that level, then gold, guys, can actually hit a brand new all-time high against the pound, which means it could be really interesting to be holding gold right now. You want to be holding gold, not pounds, because look at this. Gold is looking ready to tear a massive rampage into the market. If you guys don't want to miss out on all of the market updates, subscribe to the channel and follow us here on HotCuppaCrypto.